Welcome to Data Processing e-learning class for Senior Secondary School 3. Our topic of discourse today is titled Computer Maintenance 2. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe the various hardware maintenance that could be carried out on the computer system. We will start by describing what the hardware is. Hardware are the physical parts of the computer system which we could see, feel, and touch. Preventive hardware maintenance are the steps taken to prevent the breakdown of the hardware components of the computer system. We will consider this lesson under the following. 1. Always turn off and unplug the system before carrying out maintenance. 2. Clean the system casing. 3. Maintain your mechanical mouse. 4. Keep a neat keyboard. 5. Make your monitor sparkle. 6. Check your power protection. 7. Swipe your CD and DVD media. The first, before you commence maintenance of your computer hardware, ensure you unplug it from the mains or power supply. And if it is a laptop, disconnect the battery from the laptop. This is to prevent liquid, which is a conductor, from damaging the device. 2. Clean the system casing or system unit casing by using a damp cloth to wipe the body of the system case until it is very clean. Maintain your mechanical mouse. The mouse, as it moves, accumulates dust, and the dust affects its performance. At interval, you need to inspect the rolling points and ensure that it is free from dust. Keep a neat keyboard. When the keyboard is not in use, always ensure that it is covered with a keyboard cover. Also use soft brush to brush off the dust which settles on the keyboard. You could also use a damp cloth to gently wipe the body of the keyboard. Next, make your monitor sparkle. Apply alcohol called isopropyl, for example, on a soft cloth and use it to wipe the body of the monitor and the screen. Do not apply so much pressure on the screen to avoid damage, as it is fragile. Check your power protection. Always check the protection of your device to avoid entry of high or too low voltage which could damage the computer device. Protect it using a voltage or current regulator such as stabilizer. Next, swipe your CD and DVD media. Use a soft cloth to wipe gently the CD disc. starting from the middle of the cycle, wiping it out on a straight line. Also, use a damp cloth to wipe the body of the drive. Do not touch the lens as it is very sensitive. We will also look at hardware maintenance guideline in this lesson. Hardware maintenance guideline are those steps or procedures that we take in carrying out maintenance. We'll consider this under these following headings. Always run your computer on a UPS. 2. Remove dust at intervals from your device. 3. Be careful when unplugging external devices such as USB. 4. Underclock your CPU to make it last longer. We will take this one after the other. The first, always run your computer on a UPS. This is to protect the computer from power surge, which could come from Ethernet cables, modem, and other devices during lightning. Electric charges could damage components of the computer system. Hence, protect it by connecting it to a UPS. Next, your computer can easily grow dusty within a short period of time. It is advisable to predetermine periodically when to maintain and remove the dust from the device. Three, be careful when plugging in external devices such as USB, Ethernet, speakers, printers, and so on and so forth. Ensure you connect them the correct way and do not apply too much pressure to avoid damage to the USB ports and other ports in the computer device. Finally, underclock your computer CPU. It means that you should not allow it to work at the highest level so that it will last longer. The image here shows a computer engineer carrying out maintenance on the computer system. Please go through this material and attempt the questions that follows afterwards. Also go through the material that has been sent to the Google Classroom. Thank you. Till we meet in our next class. Do have a nice day.